How to buy MIU token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, so before going on by this token, make sure to check the REX account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, it will be listed on MEXC. So what you need to do is just go and open your MEXC account like that. As you can see, so if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link on create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your token with some USDT. So after that, what you need to do, just copy this token name. As you can see, it's called MIU. Now go back and in the search bar, you can paste the token name, and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. Wait a few seconds to load this page. As you can see, this token will be listed on like 14 hours from now to be able to redeem this token on your account. So after that, what you need to do, click on buy, select the limit. Here you can set how much you want to buy of that token, and here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of the USDT on your account. And here click on buy MIU, and if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, and click on buy MIU. So this is how to buy MIU token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video. Now make sure to check this to remind you about 30 minutes before listing. So thanks for watching.